I still get a little bit nervous. Fighting my anxiety constantly, try to control it. Even when I know it's been forever, I can still feel this pain. Hurts when I remember and I never wanna feel it again. Don't know if you get it, 'cause I can't express how thankful I am that you are always with me when it hurts, and know that you understand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath, spinning on his best, pressing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. Sometimes I still think it's coming, but I know it's not. Trying to breathe in and then out, but the air gets caught. 'Cause even though I'm older now, and I know how to shake off the past, I wouldn't have made it if I didn't have you holding my hand. I don't wanna lose control. Nothing I can do anymore. Trying every day when I hold my breath, spinning all this best, pressing on my chest. I don't wanna lose control. I need you to know I will never be this strong without you. You've seen how I've run, you took all my doubt, 'cause you were home. I don't wanna lose control. There's nothing I can do